Hey guys, it's Chris with GorillaDesk software, and today we will be discussing dynamic estimates and estimate packages. This feature allows users to offer multiple service package choices within a single estimate, allowing your customers to select the specific services they want to purchase. This feature is available on the Growth plan, on the desktop version, and on the mobile app. To turn on this feature, you have to go to your add-ons, then select Dynamic Estimates. Make sure that the toggle is enabled for both dynamic estimates and estimate packages. We're going to go ahead and click on the Manage button, and that's going to take us under our template settings. Alternatively, you can also get here by going through your settings and then templates. And under all of your templates, you'll see that you have templates here for basic estimates, dynamic estimates, and estimate packages. Now we're going to take a look at the template I've already created under dynamic estimates. This template allows you to tag which items you're adding to this template as being required, recommended, or optional. I've added a required quarterly service, recommended mosquito service, optional mosquito trap installer, and rodent trap installer. They all can be set up with their pricing, or you can leave a default cost at 0, and then you can just edit it when you're already creating an actual estimate for a customer. Just to put clarity on this feature, dynamic estimates allow you to include optional and recommended items, as well as required items, providing your customers with customizable choices to enhance their selections. For the estimate package, this feature will allow you to bundle items into comprehensive packages, allowing customers to choose the option that best fits their needs and budget. And under the estimate packages, I've created here for you to take a look at. So we have gold, silver, and bronze. For gold, I've added bi-monthly service, mosquito trap, and rodent service. For our silver package, we added quarterly service and rodent service. And for the bronze package, we've added quarterly service. And just like with the dynamic estimate, you can go ahead and put a default cost, or you can just set the cost to 0 and then update it when you're already creating an estimate for an actual customer. Now, to test our dynamic estimate and estimate packages, we can just go ahead and click the plus or the green plus button in the upper right corner and then select New Estimate. And then let's just find a customer. In the New Estimate model, click on the drop-down for Type and select the type of estimate you want to create. So we can have the basic estimate, dynamic estimate, or estimate packages. For this example, let's do a dynamic estimate. And as you can see here, we also have a field for templates. And on this drop-down, this is where we're going to select the template that we have created. So since this is a dynamic estimate, let's choose Plan 1 for the company. The items in this estimate can be tagged as required, recommended, or optional, just like what I've mentioned earlier. So your customers can only select items tagged as recommended or optional, because required items cannot be removed from the estimate. And just a quick heads up that switching a dynamic type estimate into packages will combine all items into a single package. So if we change it over to packages, you will see here that this all became one package. And by the way, this change cannot be undone. So we have to select Dynamic Estimate again, and then select our template. And then after this, all you got to do is click the Add button. And of course, once you're able to save your estimate, all you have got to do now is send it over for an e-signature for your customer. And I'm going to show you what it looks like on your customer's end. The email was sent successfully. Let's just pull up the email the customer received. Now, this is what your customers will be receiving, and of course, the text here will be different depending on how you set up your estimate for e-signature. Once they click on the preview and sign the estimate, they will be forwarded to the portal. And from here, your customers can go ahead and add a specific item from recommended and optional. Just like what I mentioned earlier, the required items here cannot be removed from the list, so they can opt out of the others that you have selected. So let's say that the customer wanted to have the mosquito trap installer and the mosquito service. All we got to do now for your customers is they're just going to type in their signature or draw, then sign and accept the estimate. Now going back to the customer's account, let's search for James. If we go here to the Estimates tab, we will see here that the status of the estimate that we have created is now 1 because the customer already signed it. Once we pull it up, we will see here that the customer selected Mosquito Services and Mosquito Trap Installer, and of course, our required item, which is the quarterly service. Now, if we click on Generate Invoice, the things that the customer added here or puts a check mark on will be combined together with the required item. Now let me show you how the estimate packages work. So let's just click on the new estimate, and then the type is going to be packages. And we are going to select Truganix Packages 2024. And we have our gold package, silver package, and bronze package. Just click on Add, and then let's send it over to our customer again. Again, this is how your email would look like, and they just need to click the preview and sign the estimate. From here, they can go ahead and choose which package they want. So we have a gold package with bi-monthly service, mosquito trap, and rodent service, a total of $255. We also have a silver package for quarterly and rodent, and a bronze package for quarterly service only. So let's say that this customer chose the gold package. Same thing. The customer just needs to type the signature or draw the signature from here. And then on this page, by the way, I forgot to mention earlier, your customers will be forwarded to this page wherein they will see the PDF copy of the estimate that they just signed, and of course, the package that they chose. Going back to the customer's account, when we click the estimate we just created, you will see that it was the gold package that was selected, and when we generate an invoice for this, it's only going to cost $255 and not include the other packages from the list, because this is the only one that the customer selected. And just a quick heads up for you all, before we can wrap up this video, you cannot use the dynamic estimate and estimate packages on the basic plan. The template will automatically revert to a basic estimate. And also, if the add-on is off, the template will automatically revert to the basic estimate, and you cannot open this feature in the classic version. It will redirect you over to version 3 of GorillaDesk. That's it for now for the dynamic estimate and estimate packages. If you have further questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 855-536-7470, or you can also visit our website GorillaDesk.com for further clarification. Thank you for watching. Bye now.